Nice guy with a great looking Raptor. Nice setup already with ridge grapplers and fuel wheels. Looks great. We're going to upgrade him with a Icon level kit and some Baja Designs driving lights for the rear. Auxiliary switch number 6. Going to look great. We'll show you the before and after. The Bud installed the Baja Designs S1 wide reverse lights. We are very impressed with where it mounts up at and how bright they are. It's hard to tell, but they are incredibly bright for the small size of the light. Great upgrade. So just wrapped up. Nice customers, good looking magnetic Raptor with some nice Fuel Zephyr wheels, 35, 1250, 17s. We installed the Icon slip collar level kit, set at 1.5 inch. Perfectly nice and true. This is the best level kit we found for the Raptor application. Definitely improves the stance, just a more strong, confident feel. Also, we did the Baja Designs S1 wide reverse lights. Love this simple build, looks great, great value.